Created in partnership with the Heart Foundation, this warm chicken and lentil salad is healthy and filling. Start by cutting the chicken breast in half horizontally, like this. This helps the meat to cook more quickly and evenly. Lightly spray the chicken with olive oil spray, then pop on the grill to cook. Turn each piece halfway through cooking. It should take about 6 minutes in total. Once browned and cooked through, transfer to a plate and cover it loosely with foil to rest for 5 minutes. While the chicken is resting, cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes, tossing the pan occasionally until the tomatoes start to blister. Transfer the tomatoes to a large bowl with the onion, carrot, celery, rocket, lentils, and some basil leaves. Give the salad mixture a good toss to combine. To make the dressing, coarsely chop the remaining basil. Add it to a small bowl with the lemon zest, lemon juice, and oil, and use a fork to combine. Drizzle half the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. To serve, slice the chicken and divide the salad among serving bowls. Top the salad with chicken and drizzle with the remaining dressing. Top with pistachios and season with pepper to taste. For extra flavour, squeeze over some lemon juice. Fresh and delicious, this warm chicken and lentil salad is perfect for a nutritious lunch or dinner.